Good day, everyone. Good day, my viewers, and good day, my followers. I am teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is pressure, and this is a Unidel post UTME pass question. Okay, so sit down, relax, and watch. So here goes the question. A man exerts a pressure of 2.8 times 10 raised to the power of 3 Newton per meter square on the ground and has 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 meters square of his feet in contact with the ground. The weight of the man is A. 112 Newton, B. 114 Newton, C. 102 Newton, D. 70 Newton. So, solution. Okay, now let's write that in parameters. Take note, this is pressure. Okay, so normally pressure formula is always giving us force over area. Okay? So if you look at the question, it says a man exerts a pressure of 2.8 times 10 to the power of 3. So mean pressure here is giving us 2.8 times 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meter square. Okay? On the ground and has 4 times 10 to the power minus 2 meters square of his feet. Of his what? Feet. So that is area. So the area A is giving us 4 times 10 to the power minus 2 meters square. The weight of the man is, now here goes the question. Now you know pressure here, we're using force, right? Now they're not asking for weight. So take note, pressure formula can still be force over area and can still be what? Weight over area. Now if you ask me how come is still weight over area, do you know that force and weight have the same SI unit, which is Newton? Okay, so since they have the same SI unit, definitely this weight here is relating to what? Force. So I'm free to say my pressure to be P, my force to be F, and my A to be what? My area to be A, or my weight to be W, my area to be A. So without wasting time, when you cross multiply, my weight become what? Pressure times what? Area. So if you get your calculator ready, you notice something, that pressure times area. So what is the pressure there? 2.8 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So what is my area? 4 times 10 to the power of minus 2. So if you get your calculator ready and multiply, you're going to have 112 Newton. And offshore A. And this is the final answer on how you can solve such type of question. Take note of the topic pressure, force over area. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for viewing. Please share, like, comment. For those of you who are also interested in my online class, you are free to give me a DM. I'm very, very available. See you next time again. Bye bye.